We'll start off with SPX, and we'll start off with really what the core issue with this market is from my perspective, which is the 3-day, the weekly, the higher time frame, and the structure in which we're starting to produce up at these highs, and the reactions that we're now seeing back towards the downside. We'll start off here on the higher time frames, and really what for me is the crux of the issue, which is this. It's this picture that we see here. And what we have is declining momentum all the way through this region. We're starting to see that the market is slowing down on each high that it is making. And this has been ongoing for a significant length of time. As you can see all the way through here, this has been a market that has been slowing down in terms of that momentum that we're seeing through each high creation. Now, the point of this and kind of how we'll view this is from an RSI perspective, we'd always look at this situation and we would say, well, this particular setup that we're looking at right now in terms of the way that the RSI is lined up, we're seeing these resets in between each of these highs. So we're seeing movement back down towards the 50 level, a bounce into fresh highs, movement to the 50, bounce into fresh highs. And that's a great continuation of the trend process. Despite getting those resets, there isn't a situation in which a fresh high is being created on higher momentum than any prior high. And that typically is a problem. And if you look at the reaction of the highs being made, especially around this last period here, that's usually indicative of this momentum starting to fail, stall, and then hopefully, from my perspective, roll over.